I love welding. It's definitely very hot, but I'm extremely proud of what I do. I have to get up at 3 a.m., have to be at work at 5, and I'm usually there till 5:30, so 12-hour shifts is usually my normal. I like the hands-on nature of welding. My main inspiration for being a welder was my mom's a truck driver. So she's always been blue collar, and my father was a mechanic, so being a blue collar has always kind of been in the family. Welders are very blunt. We are very, very mean, very to the point, very serious people. Like, we don't have time to mess around. Obviously, as a woman, it's a little bit more difficult to walk on a job site and to be like, oh, I'm a welder, everything's hunky-dory. I've definitely grown a thicker skin while being a welder in the field. I expected to be treated like a man, and I definitely am treated like a man, but I do think that they're a little harder on me because I'm a woman, or maybe I'm just really sensitive. Beal made a drastic difference in my life. I went into welding not knowing anything. I came to Beal not knowing anything about welding, and I ended up walking out of here with a pretty good grasp on what it takes to be a welder. Like, they definitely built my confidence up as a person to put myself into any situation that I wasn't unsure of. Like, being at Beal definitely gave me the confidence to walk on just about any job site and ask questions and do whatever it took to be successful. Like, I can come back here anytime I want and have the help that I received while I was enrolled, even though I'm graduated. So that's definitely given me some comfort in the real world doing welding. To always have someone having my back, and Beal has always had my back, no matter what I wanted to do in this career field. Beal is always there for me. I would like to work in construction. I would like to build bridges. I'd like to build buildings. I'd like to overcome my fear of heights. And I want to see places and do things. I want to see some cool stuff. I want to weld on cool things. I want to drive by buildings and be like, hey kids, I built that, or I welded there, or I laid concrete there, or I drove whatever here and where and everywhere. I want to see what I've done. Like, I want to be proud of what I do. My name is Nikia Austin. I graduated from Beal University with my associate's degree in welding.